Okay, guys, so I've done some work on this. You can see I've got some foam feet. I printed out little cups that fit in the bottom of these housings of these feet here, and I put foam on there, so that'll take care of the vibration. Here is the slide, so I put the rotor here, slide it in, and then I'd lock it in place with these. And because they don't need that much. I mean, that's just two of them slightly tightened down, and that's not going anywhere. But that came out really nice. I printed this out of the copper PLA. I just screwed these down. I glued them down, and I screwed them down. So that slides really nice. So now all I got to do is get the rotor in there and fire it up. Stay tuned.